Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash not placing an order. So, the first thing you will need to do is to actually check if the problem continues on their website as it is appearing on the app. So, if it is only appearing on the app and you can actually place the order on the website, that means that the issue is on the app itself. So to resolve that, you will need to make sure that your DoorDash app is up to date. To make sure of that, you can go to your app store and search for DoorDash and see if the app is updated. If not, just update it and check. If your app is up to date already, so you can move to the next step, which is making sure that your device is updated. So go to your phone's settings and see if there is any update for you to install. So if your device is updated already, the thing that you can do is to check your internet connection and make sure that it is working fine. If you do all of these and you're still having the issue, there's only one more step you can do is to actually restart your phone. So try that. And if the problem continues, try contacting customer support. You can simply find their contact details on their website